Welcome to a heartwarming exploration of companionship in the most lovely journey alongside cats. Here, we celebrate the enchanting bond between humans and their feline friends, taking you on a journey filled with whimsical adventures and touching stories. Imagine wandering through sunlit parks, the gentle purring of a cat beside you as you share laughter and joy during playful moments. Each encounter tells a tale of loyalty, mischief, and the quiet comfort that only a cat can provide. From the curious kittens exploring their new surroundings to the wise elder cats reminiscing about a lifetime of shared memories, this journey invites you to see the world through their eyes. So, whether you are a lifelong cat enthusiast or simply curious about these captivating creatures, settle into a cozy nook and prepare to be inspired. Join us as we delve into delightful experiences that showcase the beauty, quirks, and heartfelt connections that make this journey alongside cats truly unforgettable.